Welcome to Movilizer. In this video, we would like to show you how you can use the Movilizer Portal to create movelets and assign them to a user. This is a very simple demonstration of the portal. To find more detailed information, please visit our website movilizer.com. There you can also request a user for the Movilizer Portal. You log into the portal. After login, you will see the start screen with different functions. To create your movelets, you need to go to Business Scenarios. Here you can see and manage your scenarios. In the section My Business Scenarios, you can create your own scenarios and fill them with movelets. All the scenarios that you will create will be stored here. To create a new business scenario, you click on the button Create Business Scenario. Type in the name of the scenario and a short description. Then save it. Your scenario has been created now, and you can start with the movelets. To create a movelet, click on the button Create Movelet. Type in the name and choose an icon for the movelet if you like. The movelet will then be displayed with the chosen icon on the device. After you save the movelet, it will appear in your business scenario. Now you want to add screens to your movelet. For this, you click on the movelet or on the button Edit Movelet, and then on the plus button to add a new screen. In the following pop-up menu, you see all types of screens you can choose. You can add a calendar screen or a barcode capture screen, or many more. We will start with a simple message screen. We give the screen a title and a text that will be displayed. We would like the next one to follow after our Welcome screen. For this, we click on the plus button to add a new screen. We choose the Image Capture screen that allows us to make a picture and upload it to the portal. We now quickly add one more screen. It will be a single select screen. Here, you can give the user options to choose. And here, you can change the order of the choices. In the left sidebar, you can see the order of screens in this movelet. Our movelet is ready and we would like to release it now. Before we can do that, we need to create a participant with a device address to which the movelet will be sent. Here you can add your users as participants. You need to type a device address which identifies the device. This can be a phone number or an email address. After we created the participant, we need to assign the movelet to this participant. For this, we go back into our scenario and select our movelet. We click the button Assign Participants. Just by clicking on the participant, we assign the movelet. Now we can release the movelet. We want to release just a copy of this movelet. This way, the movelet will still stay under Open Movelet, so we can use it later. If we would release the movelet, it would disappear from here. Once you release the movelet, it will appear under Running Movelets. Here you can track the status of the movelet. What happens now is, after we assign a movelet to our participant and release this movelet, the Movilizer cloud will send a user ID and secret to the device address we just indicated. In our case, it was an email address, so our participant will receive an email. If we provide a phone number, the participant will receive a text message with the same info. The participant needs to download the Movilizer client, type in the credentials he received from the Movilizer cloud, and he will be able to execute the movelet we just assigned. The participant should have received an email on the address we typed in before. This is how the email looks like. The email provides a user ID and a secret. We are using an iPhone, so we go to the App Store and search for Movilizer. In case you use a platform without an App Store, a PDA for example, you can click on the link provided in the email and download your client from there. We download the Movilizer client and open it. We have several ways to sign in. Either we use the participant ID which was sent in the email, or our phone number or mail address. In this case, we choose the email address because we have been identified with it in the portal. Further, we type or copy-paste the secret and sign in. Now we see that we have one movelet in the client. It is the movelet we just created and assigned. We will execute the movelet now. The entries are saved, and once we synchronize, they will be sent back to the portal. Now we go back to the portal. In the section Running Movelets of our business scenario, we can see after refreshing that some replies were synchronized back to the portal. Here we can see entries of each screen and also the picture that was taken. Now we would like to change our movelet on the fly and release it again. We would like to add a web view screen to open a particular web page in the Movilizer client. This screen should only appear if a particular option in the single select screen was selected. Now we want to release this updated movelet. If we look on the device, we see that the previous movelet is still there. We go back to the portal to Running Movelets and click on Stop Movelet. We synchronize again and the movelet is gone. We now release the updated movelet. Let's have another look at the device and execute the movelet again. You see the screens have been updated and a web page is opened when I choose this particular option. That is all for a quick demo of the Movilizer Portal. Thank you for your attention. Now it's time to Movilize it yourself.